Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am hella excited. Today the M2 is gonna go to its first meet. I haven't made any videos recently. The M2 is actually at the shop. I'll go ahead and upload a video as to why and kind of what happened, but nothing mechanically, thank God. But I'll go ahead and put a video, let you guys see what happened. But yeah, let's go at the meet. This right here like sliced my bumper. That's cracked and broken. Then I got my windshield too. So excited. All right, guys, we just arrived. I made a friend on the freeway. We were fucking hauling ass. His shit is legit. Shout out to that guy in the STI. I totally got lost, but let's go ahead and walk around and check out some cars. It's been a minute. We got the Poco already here. Nice Subi, nice Evo. It's lively. I like it. It's nice. Hey, that Hawkeye. American Muscle over here. And the CA goes hard. Ignore that little part that's missing. It's gonna get fixed. They're already doing burnouts and stuff, so this is not gonna last very long. I went ahead and parked next to all the other sauce boys. This thing is so beautiful. M3 competition wheels, big brake kit. It's so sick, but as you can see, it's gonna die out soon. Oh, it's nice too. Tesla. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, even these are nice, man. These are real nice. Oh, fuck. I did not see that there was water there. Nice. I love the rears on these, too. Those new M3s are sick. Those 340i's naturally are really nice. This is definitely my favorite Beamer here at the meet. Beautiful M3, perfect fitment, beautiful color, just beautiful. Got some really nice Evos. I'm scared of how fast this one is if he has his head popped. Carbon fiber cover, obviously bigger intercoolers. I think an ETS intake as well. Can't see, but it looks like a fat turbo on there. But that motherfucker's fast. Real fast. And another Evo. There's a bunch of Evos today. Everyone agreed that this thing is ugly. We just can't get over it. Oh man, it's the first time seeing one of these modded. Little Vortex wing. Perfect fitment. Some nice rays. Carbon fiber hood. Dude, this is a complete, very nice looking build. Props to this guy. But like I said, boys, I think it's time to go. Quick walkthrough of the M2 real quick. Hey, I hate that it doesn't have the lip. Some V8 muscle. I swear, you can't have nothing nice. They respect the place, but the problem is you get a big enough crowd and you get people doing some dumbass shit. And this right here is why car meets are not like they used to be. Don't get me wrong, people were stupid back in the day too, but you were always respectful. Nowadays, people just do stupid shit. Oh, we got some bikes. Can't get over this 32 right here. Sheesh. Shit is clean. Hold on, let's check out this Honda though. If he has no HUD, he must have something nice in here. Running turbo or anything. And it's kind of dark to see. Definitely headers. Not sure. Yeah, I feel like all the nice cars are leaving, which I think it's my cue to go ahead and get up out of here. Alright guys, probably gonna take off soon. People are already causing havoc, which is stoops as shit. It is what it is, but I found some really nice cars. It's been a minute since I got out of the house with a car for a car meet, so it was nice while it lasted, but it's a bird now. Alright, ladies and gents, we out this bitch. We out this bitch. Nice beavers. Bring the havoc. Alright, but I'm gonna get a quick rev of my car because this thing sounds like a beast too. Went ahead and threw this bitch on comfort. Closed the exhaust valves. Don't need any more attention, especially leaving the site, because it's only a matter of time before the cops get there, boys.